I'm cool because I use an iPhone. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए पर ऐसा है. लेकिन मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि कूल लगने के लिए आईफोन का सबसे लेटेस्ट मॉडल होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. What is up everyone? This is MC Logs और आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी अलग है. It's very spontaneous. I was about to sleep. I was in bed. And then I thought to myself, this year's iPhones are pretty average. So I quickly got up, took a shower, put this hoodie on, and now I'm sitting on the stool making this video. In case you didn't notice, I am sitting right now. और अगर मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ तो इसका मतलब है कि वीडियो थोड़ी सी अलग है. It's more like a conversation, like बातचीत. कुछ हफ्ते पहले एप्पल ने 4 नए आईफोन्स निकाले और मुझे वो कुछ खास पसंद नहीं है. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मुझे इतनी उर्दू कैसे आती है. That's because मुझे उर्दू आती है. तो इसका पहला रीज़न ये है कि आईफोन 12 बहुत महंगा है. जब आईफोन 12 की अनाउंसमेंट हुई तो वो आंटी छत पे चढ़ गई और उन्होंने बोला कि कार्बन एमिशन दुनिया में बहुत हो गई हैं, तो आईफोन 12 के डब्बे में से हमने हेडफोन्स और उसका जो चार्जर पहले आता था वो हमने निकाल लिए हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आपके पास आईफोन 11 से पुराना कोई आईफोन था तो जो चार्जर दीवार में लगता है वो केबल जो आईफोन 12 के साथ आ रही है वो उस चार्जर के अंदर नहीं लग सकती. आपको नया चार्जर लेना पड़ेगा जो USB-C एक्सेप्ट करता है. आईफोन 11 से पहले जितने भी आईफोन्स थे उनके साथ जो चार्जर मिले वो USB-A वाले थे और उसकी कॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट $35 है. जो हेडफोन्स पहले मिलते थे उनकी भी कॉस्ट अराउंड $35 है. So that means this year's iPhones are $70 more expensive than previous year's iPhone and also the competitors like Samsung for example. और इतनी बात उन्होंने कार्बन emissions की but at the same time they released a new wireless charger that connects to the back of your phone with like a magnet. But the sad part is even if you get that $50 wireless charger, you still have to buy the wall charger that goes into the plug that you have to buy anyways. तो मतलब आईफोन 12 के डब्बे में से चीज़ें कम हो गई, कार्बन एमिशंस कम हो गई, आईफोन 12 की थिकनेस कम हो गई, लेकिन उसकी प्राइस कम नहीं हुई, वो ऑपोजिट ज़्यादा हो गई. वाह. And let's admit it, like who cares about the environment when it comes to like free chargers and free headphones? Like everyone wants that for the amount of money that they're paying. By the way, the other two reasons I'm going to tell you guys about build up on the priciness of this phone. So the second reason why I didn't like it was the screen. This is a phone from 3 years ago. Do you notice that notch up here? I don't know if you can see the camera. It's probably out of focus, but there's that notch up here. You can see the time too. This is 3 years old, and for the 4th year in a row, iPhone's using same technology for a super expensive phone. By the way, this is not the wallpaper I use. You know, because it's colorful, you can really notice the notch, which is why I'm showing it to you. Yeah, just letting you know. Even some less expensive Chinese phones have gotten rid of all the borders. They have like motorized cameras that are coming up and full screen displays, while Apple uses 3-year-old technology while charging more for the phones. That's not cool. And the third reason why I didn't like the phone was the convenience of it. So coronavirus started to pick up in the rest of the world in about March, where everyone knew that masks were going to be mandatory and cities were going through lockdowns. I'm sure Apple wasn't producing mass iPhones 6 months before the release. But the most convenient unlocking feature that you have on the iPhone 12 is Face ID. So if you have an iPhone 12 and you're somewhere outdoors with a mask, you can't unlock your phone with Face ID. You're gonna have to put that code in, which in some cases is 4 digits. In other cases, like my mom's, it's 6 digits. That is inconvenient for the price I'm paying in exchange of my kidneys and like my lungs. I don't even think we can exchange lungs this year because that's where COVID stays. But the point is, in other cases, you've got like the in-touch like screen unlocking feature. My camera's dying, but you've got that screen unlocking feature. You've got the power button. Like the power button, you've got like a fingerprint there where you put your thumb and it unlocks your phone. तो अगर आप iPhone सिर्फ कूल लगने के लिए लेना चाह रहे हो तो वो तो सबसे पहले आपको नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि मार्केट में ऐसे बहुत अलग फ़ोन्स हैं जिनकी प्राइस उनके फीचर्स के साथ मैच करती. But if you have to get an iPhone, I would maybe look at some of the older models like the iPhone 11, iPhone XR, iPhone SE, like the new one of my friends has it. He's really happy with it. The camera on it is really nice, where you can save some money and get a better value until Apple makes like a big jump on the screen or something that's actually revolutionary. Or if you have one of these phones already, I would stick to them until maybe next year, because that's when I think they will make a bigger change. Or if you have to have the latest iPhone, then I definitely look at the iPhone 12, not the Pro, because I seriously dislike that phone. उसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं सिवाय वो extra camera के जो कि बहुत zoom in करता है, which I have on this phone. This is 3 years old. The second camera on this phone is the zoomed in one, like the telephoto lens, and I've barely used it. Maybe just sometimes when I'm with friends and we want to take like portrait photos. Other than that, in practical real life, you would use that ultra wide zoom lens more than like the telephoto one. Otherwise, it's your life, it's your money, you can spend it on whatever you want. I just thought of these things literally like 2 hours ago when I was about to start making this video. Now it's 4. Personally, I was looking forward to this year's iPhone for like an upgrade, but because it looks exactly the same, like from the front, when I'm looking at the phone, that's 90% of the times I'm using it, and it looks exactly the same. And this is 3.5 years old. I don't think it makes sense for people to switch to a new iPhone 12. Alright, that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will see you next week, maybe, depending on my schedule, what I have to do. But I will see you soon. Peace! And having that extra camera that zooms in a little more doesn't make a difference to me. I almost dropped my phone. Welcome to the part of the video where you can hear the sound in the background. I didn't have much to do. Like, there were no notifications on the phone just because it's like almost 4:30 and no, oh, dude, I almost cracked my phone. I hope you all are doing well. Wear a mask.